Hi guys, and welcome to day 18 of Holiday Hustle. We have 5 minutes of hard work coming up, and I'm excited to share this class with you. We're going to start on our hands and knees in 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down to your hands and knees, kick one leg out, raise the opposing arm up and over your head, and then just start some simple crunches here, opening up the hips, starting to feel the work in the side of your body. Just give me 4. We're going to do the other side in 3, 2, one more rep, 1, good, reach long, switch sides. So rotate, kick your foot out, extend the arm overhead, exhale, crunch, 2, good, 3, 4, give me 3 more, 3, 2, one more time, 1, beautiful. Go ahead and lower your forearms down, raise your butt in the air. So find that nice strong dolphin pose, dolphin push up, shift forward, shift back, shift forward, shift back. Good, forward, back, forward, and back. You have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, knees come down. All right, now tricep push-ups utilizing the core with a hold. So knees are down, drive your heels to your butt, hold, 4, lift your belly, 3, hold this, 2, 1, just 3 more like that, hold, 4, lift your belly up, 3, 2, 1, press. Yes, your arms are working, lower down, hold, 4, but your core lifted up, 3, 2, obviously you can do this on your toes, 1 more time, exhale, lower, 4, lift your belly, 3, 2, 1, good, push. Now, wide arm push-ups, so widen your palms, notice my pinky fingers are off my mat, hold, lift your core, 4, 3, 2, press, knees up if you want, 4, lift your belly, 2, press, bringing my knees back down, 4, 3, get those shakes, 2, 1 more rep, ready, set, lower, 4, good, lift, 3, 2, big push, nice. All right, bring it on back for me right here, reach your top arm over your head, crunch, good, crunch. You're here for 3, 2, now you've got the hang of it, 1, lower the forearm. All right, you have seen these before. Repeat, knee down, or lift up bottom knee. Crunch, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone lift your bottom knee, scissor your feet, bring your right foot in front of your left foot. You're on your left forearm. Pull your bottom knee in, slide it back. Pull it in, slide it back. Good, pull it in, slide it back. You've got 4. Bottom knee, 3, bottom knee, 2, 1 more rep. Oh baby, 1, high plank, drop your knees. Side 2, reach up, give me 4, give me 3, give me 2, you get it, we drop down to the forearm. We slide our knee back for knee down variation, or we scissor our feet, top foot comes in. Good. Last 4, 3, hold it, 2, 1. Bottom knee lifts if it's down, okay? Now pull the bottom knee in, slide it back. Pull it in, slide it back. Follow my blue socks. Good. Knee comes in, out. Last one. Beautiful. Plank, plank, plank. Yes. Drop your knees. Forearms come back down. We repeat dolphin push-ups. Booty up, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. Good. Press and back. You're here for 8. This should burn. 7, 6. Come on, guys. 5, 4. You've got it. 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. 4 tricep push-ups, knees down. 4, singles, 3, 2, use your core, 1, 4, knee down regular push-ups or knees up, 4, 3, 2, done. Nice work. Give me a little press back to child's pose. Way to go. We implemented the upper body a little bit today. Why? Because when we hold stuff, all right, our core is still working. Nice job, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.